Hello, traders. Today is Friday, June 20th, and this is my analysis for silver. So, anyways, we're on the weekly time frame because this is really where you can see the clarity. We can see five waves of one, we can see a corrective price action for the two, we can see five waves of three, we can see the ABC of four, and we can see that this is almost definitely a wave one, wave two, wave three. Probably we need to see a wave four and a wave five, and I personally think this 100% area is going to hold. So once it does that 3, 4, 5, it probably will go down, break structure, and possibly even go down and take out these lows. So we may be getting closer to a much bigger move to the downside. Likely we need to make a wave 4. On the daily time frame is where you can see the subdivision of this wave 5. So you see the wave 1 trend, the corrective wave 2, and the wave 3 trend, which by the way is like a perfect five ways, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We can see the impulsive down where it tried to break structure at the beginning of a wave 4. We are likely now in the wave 4 correction, probably look something like this, and eventually make a wave 5. So keeping all this in mind down to the 4-hour time frame, this is where you can see the first impulsive move down, likely a wave A, which it possibly might not even be over yet. It could go down a little bit more, take out this low. Then we'll probably make some sort of a three-way pattern pullback for wave B and likely another push down for wave C. I would expect at least a 38 or a 50% pullback for this wave 4 before we potentially go up and make that wave 5. So a wave 4 is a very overlapping pattern, so just keep that in mind. Going down to the 1-hour time frame, we did get a pretty impulsive move up, but we have no breaker structure yet. So we possibly could get another push down, grab these lows. Eventually, when you do see a breaker structure, that will tell us that the wave A is complete. Once the wave A is complete, you throw your Fibonacci retracement on the wave A, and you would expect to see a corrective, overlapping three-wave pullback for a wave B, maybe something along these lines for a wave B, and eventually back down for the wave C. All subdivisions of that wave 4 that I showed you on the higher time frames. So, anyways, don't forget to like, subscribe. Don't forget to take a look at my website and my free Discord channel linked down here in the corner. As always, thank you for watching and happy trading.